Hi, welcome to this video, how to color grade in CapCut. Head over to your project, import your video. Afterwards, we're gonna just talk about the color grading a little bit. Color grading in CapCut involves adjusting lighting in color to achieve a specific mood or cinematic look, often using Adjust tab. So select the part, right, of the clip, and I'm gonna hit Adjust to manipulate contrast, brightness, saturation in individual colors via HSL or curves. Key techniques include applying LUTs, adjusting color temperature, using graphs to create contrast curves, and using masks, of course, for targeted changes. So let's say I'm going to adjust the brightness and make it a little bit bright. Contrast, make it negative. Saturation, I can increase it a little bit to give it more color. The brilliance, right? HSL to adjust the colors, like, and give it a mood. And of course, you can choose red, orange, yellow, green, sky blue, a little bit navy blue, purple, pink, etc. So basically, that's it, right? And if you want to apply masks, you can just head over to masks here and apply the mirror effect and adjust the curves so it can look more, to give it more softening feature, and hit the check mark to apply the settings. So basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Until next time.